Hi everyone, can you hear me well? I guess so. Hi, my name is Didier Lopes and I'm the co-founder and CEO of OpenBB. And today I'm going to talk about my journey of growing an open source project from 0 stars to over 17,000 on GitHub, which makes us one of the top 0.0003% projects on GitHub and the #1 in investment research. So let's get started. So first of all, the project naming is super important. For our name to start with, we started with the name GameStonk Terminal, and this is because the name was related with the GameStop frenzy, and because Elon Musk tweeted about GameStonk, that made us go viral really, really fast. So the naming is super important. It should be short, it should be memorable, it should be related with the project, basically. Then next on, you should keep the project private until you have a strong minimum viable product. And this allows you to be have less pressure when you're working on it, and also allows you to make the project be in a state where people can understand where you're going. Even if the project is not there yet, they can understand where you're going with it. And also it keeps the surprise effect, of course. Before you publish it, one other thing that is important is make sure you're prepared for the community. So make sure you have good documentation that stands out not only on the getting started with the project, but also how I can contribute. And for that, you can create like quick win tickets, so like small tasks that people can help you with. And some of our team today came from the open source project. So this is super important. And always remember to mention for people to start the project, because that really helps on people not forgetting that, is important. Finally, I would say create a Discord or a Slack group that basically allows for you to talk with these contributors and explain them the roadmap and where you're going with it. When you put the project to public, you should make sure you do it with the right audience. So make sure that you explain well the problem that your project is fixing, and so that you share it with the right audience. In our situation, for instance, it was Reddit, the audience, and it was like groups such as Wall Street Bets, Superstonk, but also Python, because the platform was fully Python-based. I've seen in open source projects Product Hunt, Hacker News, and also Reddit, yeah, is popular. Finally, the only thing I would say is keep developing in public. So basically, keep sharing on social media what you are working on. Keep doing live streams of what you are working on. Keep engaged with the community. Iterate on feedback. Listen to your community, and you'll see that your project over time it will grow. And keep reporting to the same channel that you reported at the start of progress, so people know that the project is not dead and you are keeping developing on it. And yeah, thank you.